Purchasing the appropriate hunting, fishing, or trapping license helps fund conservation and make sure you are recreating legally. If you're not sure what license or stamp you need, our Sport License Finder online tool can help. To get started, you only need to know what hunting, fishing, or trapping season you want to participate in, your age, and your resident status in Indiana. To be considered a resident in Indiana for sport licenses, a person must have an established and permanent primary home in Indiana for 60 consecutive days and not claim residency for sport licenses in another state. First, visit on.in.gov/DNR License Finder and click on the green search button. Next, select your sport, your age, and your resident status. Once you've made all 3 selections, your license options will automatically populate on screen. Be sure to double check the additional information section to see if an additional license is needed for your sport. Now, you are ready to purchase your license and take to the field. To purchase your license, visit our activity hub at gooutdoorsin.com and log into your account. If you're more comfortable buying your license in person or through the mail, visit on.in.gov/DFW license permits for details. Once you've purchased your license, be sure to review our regulations guides and check out other tools like our interactive Where to Hunt and Where to Fish maps to find a location to recreate near you.